How do you discover your primary love language? Chapman suggests to ask yourself, what does your partner or spouse or significant other fail to do that hurts you the most deeply? You know, what do you tell friends about if you tell friends? Or what do you talk to God about, or whoever you talk to? What do you complain about? He never gives me gifts. Only on Christmas do I get a gift. Well, that might be your love language, receiving gifts. He doesn't touch me much, you know. We only kiss, it's, you know, whatever. What is it that hurts you deeply enough? He never listens to me. He's always on the phone. He's always doing this. I don't have his undivided attention ever. Well, that might be your love language. Though we all want undivided attention anyway, right?